Namaste, my name is Rui Zimmer, I'm an international meditation master. Today I want to speak about Urologist, masturbation is healthy even for old men. This is a new research and so on, and finally they say it loudly, what the Taoists are saying for thousands of years. It is proved, okay. The Taoists were much faster. No? Okay, in traditional Chinese medicine, it is well known a man needs sex until he dies. Psychology confirms this. Freud and Jung both recognize that the sexual drive is fundamental. The purpose of every life in this universum is to procreate, to have children. And so the purpose is embedded in our brain. And this comes just after the survival instinct comes the sex drive. And this is also true for old people. Every male, any male has a primal instinct to procreate. This is wired so deeply into our brain that we feel a sexual urge independently of our emotions or thoughts. Nature needs children for the future. And there is no sexuality anymore. A man loses a sense of purpose and eventually dies. And if there is no sexuality anymore, a man loses a sense of purpose and eventually he dies. To deny sex is to deny life itself. If you want vitality as your age, you must remain engaged with your sexuality, even in old age. You can restore your sexual function with training and good health. Always consult your urologist first. The link between sex and aging, and this have said the Taoists for thousands of years. Aging begins when we lose our sex drive. Without sex, men age much faster. As we grow older, we naturally lose some of our drive, vitality, liveliness, and passion. But through sex, solo or with a partner, we can maintain all of them at a much higher level. I want to confront you and break the taboo. Masturbation is not bad. Masturbation is healthy as long as it is not done in excess or in the wrong way, and sharing sex with a partner is even better. But let's be clear, masturbation is not dirty. For men over 60, masturbation is not just okay, it is a must for staying fit and healthy. All this testosterone, without testosterone there's no sex. And if you reduce the sex, you reduce the testosterone. Your whole focus, everything is gone. Mindless masturbation can lead to numbness and ED. The key is how you do it. If you can no longer produce as much fluid, daily stimulation is still beneficial. Release only when you feel the need. I cannot do it every day. But stimulation I can do. I can do it once a week. Okay, if I have a new partner, then I can do it also every 2 or 3 days. But it's normal. If you have a new sexual partner, your potential is 3 times higher. And maybe I can do it every day. But normal case, it's for me too tiring. Once a week is for me perfect. But they say you should do it 3 times a week. No, it's for me it's too much. But quick, tense, disconnected self-pleasure is harmful. When you teach your brain the same pattern, same hand, same motion, same outcome, it becomes boring. Sensitivity drops, stiffness fades, confidence drops, loneliness increases, disconnection grows. The fix makes self-pleasure intentional, not performance-driven. Avoid porn, no rushing, no pressure, reconnect with feeling, not fantasy. Not masturbation can lead to prostate congestion and inflammation. So they have checked it with the monks. What was it? Monks have 2 or 3 times more prostate cancer than normal people. Without regular release, the prostate can become congested. This can lead to frequent urination at night, inflammation, and increased risk of prostate cancer, and that is proved. A Harvard study proves that men with fewer than 21 ejaculations per month have a significant higher risk of prostate cancer. Regular ejaculation flushes out toxin and keeps the prostate healthy. Shame around self-touch damages mental health. Let me say it again. Masturbation is not dirty. Speak about it openly. Shame is a stressor. It raises cortisol, tightens muscle, and floods the brain with anxiety. Over time, this can lead to depression, heart diseases, immune issues, and even dementia. But masturbation, when done correctly, releases dopamine, oxytocin, this is love hormone, and endorphins. These are the body natural antidepressants. You are never too old for self-pleasure. 4. Sexual activity stimulates testosterone. Yes, even solo activity. As we age, our testosterone naturally declines, but if you stop touching your body altogether, you lose even more testosterone, along with energy, vitality, and muscle mass. You see, you have to get somehow a higher testosterone. And then I recommend maca, and after 1 month you feel the difference. And the difference is totally if I go in the mountains with maca or without maca. Then I'm just like a young guy, hard to beat in the mountains with maca. The good news, you can support healthy testosterone level. Maca root is one powerful aid. After taking it daily for 2 months, many men notice a real difference. I have personally increased my testosterone with maca and other supplements. The difference in endurance and power is huge. Also when I see the difference with maca and without maca in the mountains, my God, it's blowing me away. Can do even the most difficult parts in a faster speed than when I was 25 years old. Use it or lose it. This applies to muscle and it applies to erection. Stimulate every day whether or not you release fluid. Regular stimulation maintains blood flow, nerve sensitivity, and tissue health. Then comes 6, the pornography problem. Today's pornography is ultra stimulating, fast, high intensity, and endless. Your brain was not designed for that level of dopamine flooding. After prolonged exposure, many men find they cannot perform without porn or even with a real partner. The fix, try a 30-day detox, no porn, no fantasy, just reconnect with your own body and sensation. 7. Consciousness masturbation improves longevity and quality of life. When done mindfully, self-pleasure offers real benefits. Better sleep. Lower anxiety because of the testosterone. Improved circulation. Yes, blood circulation. Greater vitality. Enhanced mood. Final thought. Okay. Dann kommt the final. Masturbation is not something to hide from or feel ashamed of. It is natural, healthy part of being human at every age. Treat your body with respect, listen to it, care for it, and don't be afraid to enjoy the pleasure it was designed to give you. Thank you that I could speak about this, and bye.